Okay, we are on our final example, and we have our last exception line. We see just y is greater than a number. So if we ever see y is greater than, y is less than, y is greater than or equal to a number, or y is less than or equal to a number, this is another exception line. Instead of the up and down line that we had before, this is just a straight horizontal line. So I didn't type in the steps. We're going to try to do them together. So our first step, we need to make our first point. Step one, make point one. But here it's going to be a little bit different. We are going to make point one at, this number is -4. So at -4 on the y-axis, because it's y is greater than or equal to -4 on this one instead of x. So here's my y-axis. -4 is right here. This is where point one is going. Now, step two typically involves the slope, using the slope to get from one number to the next. But here that got mixed up. But horizontal lines only have a slope of 0. So the slope is 0. So make two other points to the right or left of original point. So we're just going to make our other points to the right to the left and to the right of our original points. It means that we never change from this -4 on the y-axis. Step 3 tells us we need a dotted line, so we're just going to kind of make dots to connect this line right through there. So we chose dotted line for step 3. I will write that in so you'll have it in the completed version. And then step 4, do we shade above the line or below the line? Well, greater than, what are all the numbers bigger than -4? It is all of these numbers up here because 0 is greater than -4. Same with like 5 is greater than -4. So we're shading all of the area above this line. This is anything that is going to make our inequality true. So as you can tell from these last ones, when we can recognize that we have these exception lines, the horizontal lines or the vertical lines, the straight up and down lines, it actually, I think, is a little bit more straightforward and a little bit faster to graph and shade. Start your assignment. You will be matching graphs in your assignment, but you won't be graphing yet. We'll save that for when we get back to school next week. And feel free to message me, email me, or join my office hours on Friday if you have any questions.